Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set a page color to a custom color in OneNote. This is a fantastic way to personalize your notes, organize different sections with unique colors, or simply make your workspace more visually appealing and easier on the eyes. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft OneNote app and load into your notebook. Once you launch the application, give it a moment to fully load your notebook and all its contents. This initial loading step is important because you want to ensure everything is properly synchronized before you start making any customization changes to your pages. Now that your notebook has been loaded and you're ready to work, it's time to set your page color to a custom shade. Start by heading to your View Settings menu. Look at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menu options are neatly organized. From here, click on View. This menu houses all the visual customization options for your OneNote experience, including the ability to change how your pages look and feel. Once the View menu settings has expanded, you'll see several options available to you. Look for the option labeled Page Color and click on the drop-down arrow next to it. This is where the magic happens. To set a completely custom color for your OneNote page, click on More Colors. This action will open up a new window presenting you with a standard color palette picker, giving you far more control than the preset options. Here's where you can truly make your page unique. Click on the Custom tab within the Color Picker window. This tab allows you to set your own color by adjusting individual color parameters. You'll notice you can manually set the red, green, and blue color values, mixing them together to create virtually any shade you can imagine. Alternatively, if you already have a specific hex color code in mind, perhaps from your brand guidelines or a design you're matching, you can simply add that hex color code directly into the appropriate field. This flexibility ensures you get exactly the color you want. Once you've finished mixing and customizing your perfect color, click on OK. The color you've created will immediately be applied to your OneNote page, transforming its appearance instantly. You might need to wait just a brief moment as OneNote processes and applies the new color scheme across your page. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your OneNote page with your own unique color, making your notes more organized and visually distinct. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.